Hey, sixth grade, this week, all 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you're going to be working on a drawing. And so you're going to need to send in the assignments for each day. Today, we're going to brainstorm and sketch. So today, you're going to send me a list of ideas and a sketch of two of those ideas. So a sketch is just a rough drawing. It shouldn't be a scribble. It should show me that you're thinking about your work. Then tomorrow, you'll go ahead and draw your image. And then Wednesday and Thursday, you'll work really hard to create and apply the color. Okay, so we are still thinking about color. And what I'd like to show you is 4 different samples, and I just want to talk through the color things that are happening in them. Okay, and these are paintings. We would have done this in class, but it's okay. You can do it with the drawing materials that you have. So here we have one object. Maybe it looks like a grapefruit. And you can see that the object is red and the background is green. So that's complementary colors. You can also see the value range or the monochromatic color scheme happening in the orange slices. I'm sorry, the grapefruit slices. So we have a dark maroon and then lighter maroons and then into pink. This is a very light pink, and then we've got red in the border. Okay, here's another idea. This is a bird's nest, and you can see the background is blue, and the eggs are different kinds of orange. So it started with, orange paint here, and then different shades and tints of orange. That's that monochromatic color scheme. For the nest, it looks brown, but it's actually the blue and the orange mixed together. So here we have complements and we have monochromatic values happening. Okay, let's look at another one. Cat on a fence. I think that looks like a cat. Okay, purple background, yellow object is complementary colors. We've got the value range of yellow happening in the fence. Then we've got them mixed to make the cat. Okay, one more idea, and this is a little bit different. Here we have analogous colors and complementary colors. So the analogous colors are blue and purple, and it goes from pure blue, which is this one, to pure purple, which is this one. And here they're mixed and here they're mixed. So this is like blue with a little bit of purple, and this is purple with a little bit of blue. And then they're repeated. Okay? And so that's an analogous color scheme. It's not monochromatic because it's 2 colors. It's analogous, and they're next to each other on the color wheel. Then we have the complementary relationships happening in the background, right? We know that the complement of blue is orange, and which is way down here, and the complement of purple is yellow, which is up here, and then here we've got them mixed yellow and orange together. Okay, so those are some ideas to get you started. What I'd like you to think about is an object that you can draw, that you like, that can contain in that drawing both complementary or analogous or monochromatic. So you need to pick 2. I know I said the word both and then listed 3. Sorry. You need to pick 2. Complementary and monochromatic, which were these 2. Actually, these 3. Complementary, monochromatic. Or here we've got analogous and complementary. Okay, but what do you have to do today? Fantastic. What you need to do today is brainstorm ideas. And if you want to write these out in a pen so I can read them neatly, that's great. Then you need to create 2 sketches, right? Not scribbles, but sketches. Sometimes it's fun to read upside down. Of ideas that could work. So my brainstorm might be a citrus fruit. Cat on a fence. I had a bird's nest. Now, my brainstorming is because these were my paintings, right? Okay, your brainstorming should not just be a list of what you saw, but should be new ideas. So what could some of those new ideas be? Could this work with a football? Could you draw a football and have it have different sections? Could it work with grapes? A bunch of grapes. Could this idea work with a bouquet of flowers? So what I'd like you to do is brainstorm some objects, some things that you think you could draw that could have in that artwork, 2 of the 3 relationships. Okay. Then from this list, you're going to do 2 sketches. And those sketches can be full sheets of paper or smaller, that's fine. So what might the bird's nest look like? Here's the bird's nest idea, which you've already seen. And then in my sketch, I also want to label what's happening. Here's my eggs. So this was my sketch. I'm thinking about the arrangement of my picture. And then I'm going to label it blue, brown, orange, right? This is my plan, okay? And then I could even include blue and orange are complementary. And I could write that the orange eggs will be monochromatic. Okay? This is what I'm looking for. If you'd like to do this part in a Google Doc, that's fine, and send that to me. If you'd like to do this on separate drawing papers and send it to me, that's fine. Or if you want to put it all together and send it to me like this, that's fine too. I just need to be able to read your photograph, okay? Which is actually a little bit tricky to read words in a photograph. When you take that photo, please make it as large in the photo as possible. Some of you are like, here's my picture in this big giant background and I can't see it. That's not going to work. Close up so that I can read all of those words. This is due today. Tomorrow, you'll take one of these sketches and create a large drawing that fills the paper. Then you'll take Wednesday and Thursday to add the color. Okay, hope that helps. And I know I owe you feedback. I'm getting on it today.